Now you can bring the precision operation of the R-joint to the rear axle of your A or G body with the rear upper control arm bushing kit from RideTech. The bushing assembly presses into your axle housing, eliminating the deflection and binding of rubber and the noise and maintenance of polyurethane bushings. To make the job easier, RideTech offers a bushing removal and installation toolkit. To remove the factory bushing, simply insert the threaded rod, position the appropriate spacers and washers on either side, and tighten the nuts until the bushing is removed from the housing. With the factory bushing removed, insert the R-joint into the housing. Reusing the toolkit with the appropriate spacers and washers, tighten the nuts until the bushing is completely seated in the rear end housing. Install the supplied snap ring and the bushing installation is complete. RideTech's R-joint requires no maintenance. It provides smooth, quiet operation while adding stability and performance to your hot rod.